Hello everybody, it's Dr. Bam. I kind of wanted to go over some things to make sure you knew how to set up your course and how to review course progress, review your grades and really look at your feedback that I give. So I'm going to use this account. This is the account, the course of Lisa Taylor Cook. I'm viewing it as her. She's actually an adjunct of mine. I put her in here and had her complete a assignment so that I could show you this and what it kind of looks like on your end. So when you go into your course, you have your tabs over here. Your grades are in the tab marked grades. Okay. So when you're in this tab marked grades, you'll see all the work for the class. Now she's not really a student, so she only did the one assignment, which makes sense. Just to show you what it would look like. So you will see my comments over here. Sometimes it's great job, good work, review, submit late for some credit. I have to keep this section really short. So usually I say, see comments in your submission. And I get students who go, I don't know what that means. What does see comments in your submission mean? Okay, so I want you to go back and look at your assignment after you submitted it. So you should always see a little paper here if the assignment got submitted. One thing that I really encourage you to do is that after you submit something in Schoology, just come on over here. It will be a --5 if it's submitted. So you see how these are just dashes. They don't show you anything else. That's because nothing's been submitted. If it's been submitted, you'll see the little piece of paper. So you know that something is at least sitting there for me to view. Okay, so she submitted this. So she's going to click on the assignment. Okay, she can see this. And she can see the words assignment submitted. Okay, this is what she sees when she comes in. Now, a lot of you get tempted to put comments over here. Over here where I'm pointing and circling right now. After I grade it, I do not see these comments. If I have not graded and you wanted to say something to me like, this is late because of XYZ, or something like, I feel like I did this right, here is my thinking, I didn't clearly understand this, or if it's something outside the assignment completely, when I was thinking about this idea came up and I thought about such and such. Really, this should be for you informing me on something relating to this assignment that didn't need to go in the written part of the assignment. Like this is late because I had to do this instead because of this, or, here's my reasoning. Once I have graded it, I never see these again. So if I write something over here, which is where you're seeing my comments in the submission, are these comments down here where my little face shows up with a little post-it and I say, great, explore the difference, or do this or do that. Or I might say, hey, are you thinking about this still? So you're going to get an extra credit assignment, and in your final project unit 1, I left a comment for every single person. And the extra credit is for you to go find your comment, copy it, and paste it. And if you do that, then I'll give you extra credit. But it has to be the comment I left for you. Okay? So really, please don't use over here, because if you leave me a comment after I've graded it, I will not see it. This is for comments before I've graded it. So when you're submitting things, okay? So this is kind of what your page looks like. You can hit new draft. Maybe there's you want to do a resubmission. There's times where I'll comment up here, please resubmit. I cannot view it. Then you can hit new draft, do a second submission. I always grade the last submission. So if I click over here, if there's more than one submission, I would see more than one thing. Okay? And I've had people do that. So they've submitted 3 times and they'll say, the such and such is in submission 2 and so is in submission 3. Please ignore submission number 1. It was an accident, or something went through and I didn't mean it. So if you need to submit more than once because something didn't come through right, feel free. So when I am asking you to copy my feedback from your submission, this is what I'm asking you to copy, is this, for the extra credit assignment. And if you see a comment that says, view your feedback in the submission, this is what I mean. Once again, I'm going to show you how I got there, and there's actually a second way to get here. So I got here through assignment submitted on the main assignment page. I have to go back in and view as her. View course. I can view course as any of you. Did you guys know that? So I can go look to see if you're having issues. Okay, so I'm back in my adjuncts account. And I'm going to show you the second way you can go right to the assignment. So the first one reviewed the assignment, and then you could click the submission. But you can also click this green number usually. For some reason, it is not letting me click it, and it usually goes right there. So my understanding is you can click this green number. Now they may have changed something. So right now it's having me click over here and then into the assignment submitted to go and view the feedback. Okay, I hope that helps with this assignment and extra credit opportunity, and have a great week.